Want to add a clean break between sections of your page? The divider component makes it simple. Let's see how it works. Here's an example of a divider in action. It neatly separates your content, making the page easier to read. Now let's see how to add it. To add a divider, click Add, then choose Divider. Above each divider, you'll see the divider bar. Click it to open the settings. To change the color, click the color button. You can pick from your site's palette or add your own using the color management panel. For style, choose between a solid line, a dashed line, or a dotted line. Adjust the thickness by dragging the slider to your preferred pixel size. You can also set the maximum width in pixels to control how long the divider appears. If the maximum width isn't set to unlimited, you can choose whether the divider sits to the left, center, or right. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK to save the changes. Don't forget to click the Save button in the toolbar. This makes sure your edits go live so your visitors can see them. And that's it. With the divider component, you can instantly make your pages cleaner and easier to read.